Hi all, this is N. Samira and today's topic is information gain ratio. Information gain ratio is a kind of attribute selection measure which is a heuristic procedure for selecting the splitting criteria that best discriminates the given tuples according to the class. C4.5, which is the successor of ID3, uses gain ratio as its attribute selection measure. This measure comes as an extension of information gain to reduce a bias towards multi-valued attributes by taking the number and size of branches into account when choosing an attribute. Therefore, gain ratio adjusts for this bias, but it tends to prefer unbalanced splits in which one partition is much smaller than the others. I will provide the link regarding the information gain in the description section. Please refer that if you want the description regarding the information gain. So here, the following notations are used for information gain ratio, where N indicates the node and D indicates the data partition, and A indicates the attribute, and V indicates the number of distinct values for the attribute selected, and mod D indicates the number of tuples in D. So here, A is used to split D into V partitions, like D1, D2, so on, and DV, like that, where these partitions would correspond to the branches grown from N. Information gain ratio corrects information gain by taking the intrinsic information of a split into account. Information gain ratio is a ratio of information gain to the intrinsic information, which is referred as a split information of the dataset given the attribute. So it applies a kind of normalization to information gain using a split information value defined analogously with the entropy of the dataset, which is given as with this formula. So this value represents the potential formulation generated by splitting the training dataset D into V partitions corresponding to the V outcomes of the test on attribute A. Note that for each outcome, it considers the number of tuples having that outcome with respect to the total number of tuples in D. IG ratio differs from information gain, which measures the information with respect to classification that is acquired based on the same partition. The attribute with the maximum gain ratio is selected as the splitting attribute. Let us consider an example of class label training tuples from the All Electronics customer database. So here we need to select one of the attribute. For every attribute, we have to find out the information gain ratio value. So in this example, we have selected income first. So now we need to find out the information gain ratio for the income. So for this, we need to go for this. We need to calculate the split information. Before that, let's identify the values of income. So income consisting of how many values? High, medium, and low, right? So how many high values are there? How many high values are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are totally 4 tuples with income is equal to high, and coming to medium, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 tuples with medium, with the income is equal to medium, and next low, right? So if you observe, there are 4 tuples with the income is equal to low. So with this data, first we need to find out the split information of the income. So this is the formula for the split information. So let me implement this. So that is equal to minus. So total number of tuples in the database is 14, and out of 14, number of tuples with the income is equal to high is 4 into log 4 by 14 base 2, and minus, and again total number of tuples is 14. Out of 14, 6 tuples are with income is equal to medium into log 6 by 14 base 2, minus, again there are 4 tuples with income is equal to low out of 14, log base 2 4 by 14, 4 by 14. So by calculating, you can get 1.557 bits. So this is the split information. So we can get gain of income as 0.029. This you can get from the previous video of information gain, whose link is provided in the description. So the process of calculating the gain value you can get from that. So from that video, I have a value of gain of income as 0.029. Therefore, the gain ratio. So here is the gain ratio of income. So what is the formula? Gain of income by split information of income. So which is equal to gain ratio is equal to gain of A by split information. A in the sense income here, right? Split information of income, the data set given income. So which is nothing but 0.029 by 1.557. So which in turn gives 0.019. So this is the information gain ratio of the income. Similarly, we have to calculate information gain ratio for all the remaining attributes, and the attribute with the maximum gain ratio is selected as the splitting attribute or splitting criterion. So this is about the information gain ratio, and thanks for watching the video, and please subscribe the channel for more interesting and more important updates regarding the subject. Thank you.